Clouds are a gray tone weight, hanging low over the quiet gate. I smell the ozone, that sharp, clean sting, before the heavy drops begin to sing. The earth is thirsty, reaching deep, while all the city lights go soft and sleep. A pause in the noise, a rhythmic tap, falling into the weather's open lap. Let the sky do the crying for us now. Wash the dust from the window and the brow. It's a different kind of light in the gray, a gentle way to melt the day away. Hold the silence close, hear the steady roar. I don't need the sun like I did before. My shoes are damp, the road is mist, a world I never knew could exist. No shadows follow where the water flows, the secrets that the wet pavement knows. It's not a flood, it's just a rinse. I haven't felt this clear in months since. Just the rhythm on the roof, the pulse on the pane, healing in the middle of the rain. Let the sky do the crying for us now. Wash the dust from the window and the ground. It's a different kind of light in the gray, a gentle way to melt the day away. Hold the silence close, hear the steady roar. I don't need the sun like I did before, like I did before. Just the rain, just the gray.